Hello everyone, Shabir Ansari is here. Welcome to a new video. Please consider to subscribe my channel. After a heavy rain last night, we have found huge stormwater still exists at in front of a school. This is a girls' school. Check करो पिछला सराख बांधा फिर. Actually, last night this road was full of water. All the water was removed from the road, but we have found that some blockage still remains in the sewer line, so that's why this road is not completely clear. Now we are going to check where is the blockage. Maybe some inlet is blocked, due to which this stormwater didn't go back into the sewer line. Now we are going to check that.
सुराख देख इधर पहले सुराख देख औरे औरे काफी बड़ा सुराख है ढक्कन चुक के देख की सूरत हाल हाँ सही कर साफ कर
Actually, this manhole is insane. Its level is above from the road level, so that is why we cannot remove the lid of manhole. So this storm water could enter from the top of the manhole. Some inlet is made at the level of this road for the removal of rainy water from this road. Unclogging has been made and trash and rubbish has been removed from the inlet. Now stormwater is going back into the manhole very smoothly. You can watch that. We are in hurry so we can clear this road before school timing ends, and this road becomes very rushy when school is end. Staff is checking again if there is any other blockage or rubbish in this inlet, so it can be removed. Now this inlet is working smoothly. Staff is telling me that the inlet size is very big and the stormwater is going back easily.
गल सुन इधर आ हुण
The quantity of the stormwater is reducing gradually. You can watch that. The stormwater is turned off from main road. Now it's only on the pavement. There is a smooth flow of rainy water. Road is clearing with a good speed, and the rainy water is reducing continuously. Students face very difficulties when they reach at the school in morning, so we don't want again. This whole portion of road and pavement is clear. There is some water. The level of this pavement is down from there. It's become a depression point. So this water is not going back into the manhole. Except that uh, remaining portion is going to be clear. You can watch that very less quantity is right now at the road or at the pavement. It's almost clear, and the speed of water going back is now very low because there is no more any water. Situation is quite different from the start now. Here we go, it's almost clear, and there is no more hurdles for the students. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.